Ariel, listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life
Hi
under the
everyone!
sea
So
is...
I'm at college today, so I thought I'd show you around some of the tanks.
Hello.
Okay, so in this tank we've got piranhas, which are really cool. Piranhas don't actually eat humans. That's a sort of common misconception. They only eat sort of fish, so you'll be quite safe when Jen goes to the Amazon. She won't be eaten alive by piranhas, which is always a good thing. So here you go. So this is our tropical tank. There's loads of really pretty corals, clownfish, and shrimps. It's really cool. Ooh. So this is our native tank. We've got, I think it's about 6 mullet in here, as well as a sangobie and some shrimps and some anemones. So really cool. Say hello. So this is our tropical tank. In here we've got 4 trevellis, which are sort of the yellowy fish. Don't know if you can see them. There they are. They've got some stripes. They're quite small at the moment. They're only quite young, so they'll get a lot bigger. Also got some like small reef fish, which are really colourful. And there is a bamboo shark at the end here. I'm not sure if you can see it. In here we have a really young lionfish. It's been separated from the others as it wasn't feeding very well, so it's just sort of acclimatising and getting used to like the new water systems and stuff. So hopefully it'll be introduced into the other tank with the lionfish soon. In this tank we've got quite a few clownfish. I think they're in a research system at the moment, so they're being used for a HE project. But there's quite a few of them. They look really cool, swimming all together. We'll be feeding these on the brine shrimp in a minute as well. This is our seahorse tank. There's, I think, about maybe 10 of them in there now. They're also for a research project as well. They were really light when they came to us, but our lecturer took them home. They were kept in a dark room, and so consequently they're now much darker in colour, which is really interesting. And they're sort of floating about in pairs, and they're really cool. They eat the brine shrimp, and you can hear, if you put your ear to the glass, they snap their heads forward when they eat, which is really cool. So this is an African lungfish. They're quite different as they can actually breathe out of water because they've got this developed lung. And they also have some hind fins that act as legs. So if they do escape from the tank, they can sort of walk about and breathe on land, which is really cool from like an evolution point of view. Unfortunately, they're not that interesting. They don't really do much. He literally just sits there all day and all night. I think I've seen him move once, but our lecturer seems to think he's really, really cool. But yeah, he's a bit of a lad, really. Just chilling out. This next tank is a sediment testing tank. They've got some seagrass growing, and then 2 different types of sediment to see which is helps the seagrass grow best in. Let's take a look. Trojan's just cutting up some food at the moment. We're helping feed them. There's some lovely mackerel and squid, and over here there are some Artemia defrosting, which are like little brine shrimp things, which are quite cool. They're full of goodness and loveliness.